Welcome to Nivedita Academy. One of the course we are offering in our institute is GRE. I like to give some information about the GRE because some changes have been made after September 2023. What's the GRE? GRE is Graduate Record Examination. It's being conducted by ETS, the official body which is conducting TOEFL, TOEIC. The same organization only is conducting GRE also. Why this GRE? GRE is conducted for getting admission for the students in prestigious universities in well-advanced countries like USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, etc. There are two types of examinations. One is GRE General and another one is GRE Subject. General, you are tested 3 skills. One is verbal reasoning, another one is quantitative reasoning, third one is analytical writing. In verbal reasoning, you have 2 sections. The first section, you have to answer 12 questions in 18 minutes. In second section, you have to answer 18 questions in 23 minutes. Just like that, in the quantitative reasoning, there also you have 2 sections. The first section, you have to answer 12 questions in 20 minutes. And the second section, you have to answer 18 questions within 26 minutes. So totally you have to answer 55 questions in 1 hour 58 minutes. Because another one skill, that is analytical writing skill, that is for 30 minutes. You will be given a task about issue-based essay and you have to critically think over and then you have to write an essay. For that you have to spend about 30 minutes. You will be given a score about 6 there, but that score is not at all taken into consideration for ranking. This verbal reasoning and quantitative reasoning score alone will be taken into consideration for scoring. There, the scale being used is, in verbal reasoning you have 130 to 170. In the same way, in the quantitative reasoning also you have 130 to 170. So total score is 340 marks. Topmost universities at the international level like Pennsylvania University, Massachusetts Technological University, and these kind of universities are expecting more than 320 score. Some other universities will be expecting at least 310 to 320. Other universities will be expecting at least 300 to 310 or 320, like that. So these scores are very important. For that, what to do? You got to prepare well. At least you need 3 months of preparation for scoring good marks. In verbal reasoning, what kind of questions are asked? There are 3 kinds of questions. One is comprehension. Next one is sentence equivalence. Third one is text completion. And here you have comprehension. There are 3 kinds of questions. One is traditional multiple choice questions. You have to answer single multiple choice questions will be there. 5 options will be there and you have to choose any one correct option. Next one is multiple choice with all correct answers. Out of 5 options, at least 2 or 3 may be the correct answers. that also you can choose. Next one is a sentence will be given. You will be asked 4 or 5 sentences and that describe what is described. That will be given in the question paper, and you have to choose the correct sentence. So that kind of questions will be there. Next, in sentence equivalence, a sentence will be given to you, a blank also will be given to you, 6 options will be given to you. You got to choose any 2 options, 2 correct words to fill up the blank. Third one will be text completion. Here some 5 or 6 sentences will be given to you and you have to fill up 3 blanks. For each blank you will be given 3 options and you have to choose a correct answer from the given choices and fill up the blank. So these kinds of questions will be asked. In the quantitative reasoning, there also you have 4 kinds of questions. One is quantitative comparison questions. Next one is multiple choice with a single answer. Then multiple choice with the multiple answers. The third one is numeric entry questions. Data will be given to you in the form of charts, diagram, non-verbal interpretation. From the data, you have to choose the correct one. You have to make mathematical problems. This quantitative reasoning is conducted to understand your understanding the concept and how you apply the concept for solving the problems. So that way the questions will be there. And the analytical questions, as I told you, there will be an issue based task and you have to write an essay for about 250 words. The total score will be 6 points. You are expected at least 4.6 points. And this score will not be taken for ranking. And you have 1 hour 58 minutes for this general, GRE General. Some other topmost universities are expecting subject level test also that assess your interest in joining the university. So those people who want to join such universities, they are preparing the subject level test also. This subject level test is conducted in 3 subjects, either mathematics or physics or psychology. You can choose any one of the subjects. Those who choose mathematics, they have to answer 66 questions within 2 hours and 50 minutes. 50% of the questions will be from calculus and the 25% of questions will be from linear algebra or elementary algebra or abstract algebra and also number theory. So these questions will be there. In physics, mostly the questions will be on problem solving. There will be 100 questions, all are multiple choice with 5 answer choices and you have to choose any one. So you have to answer within 2 hours. 100 questions should be answered within 2 hours. And another one, so psychology. You have 3 hours test. There also you have multiple choice with 5 options. You will be answering 205 questions. So that way you have to answer all these things. This is a somewhat toughest examination. You got to prepare well. At least you need 3 months time for preparation. Most of the universities want a GRE as well as TOEFL also. Once you prepare for TOEFL, first you write GRE. This, whatever knowledge you have acquired in GRE will be very useful for TOEFL also. There also you have comprehension with nearly, you have to answer nearly 10 questions for each comprehension. So that will be here also. The comprehension question you will have to answer, you have to find out the author's view, the prompt statement, the argument for finding the conclusion. You have to infer the meaning of the author's purpose, and all these things will be here also. The same will be there in TOEFL. So that will be this, writing this GRE will be helpful for TOEFL examination. So before you write the TOEFL, you can attend this GRE. And this is a very high level examination. In our institute, we are giving coaching for that. Whoever wants to join, you are always welcome. We have an experienced faculty for quantitative reasoning and also verbal reasoning, and we assure you for getting a good score in GRE. Thank you very much.